Teach your boys how to be mature, how to be sensible, how to be responsible, and how to respect women. Teach your boys. Hey guys, welcome back to Siddhi Studio. I hope you all are doing fine. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally post, but this video is very much necessary for today's society and today's world. So we are basically making a chili paper spray. There is just 3 simple basic steps that you need, and kaboom, you'll have a chili spray of your own. We just need chili powder, vinegar, not water, vinegar, oil and a spray bottle. That is it. And why are we not using water? Because vinegar is a good preservant. So it will preserve the thing for quite a long time. So it's advisable to use vinegar instead of water. Vinegar has water-like consistency, first things first. Second thing is vinegar is acetic acid, and you don't want to go, like light on those eve teasers or the strangers who are troubling you. So why water if you can use vinegar? Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to be careful. So you have to use a protective glass, which can be anything. I have this 0 power crystal clear glass which I'll be using for this video. And most importantly, you also need to have gloves. You have to put on gloves because you will be dealing with chili powder, alright? If something happens, like if you don't wash your hands properly and it goes in your eyes or nose, you are done for. You need to wear gloves. You can discard them after using. There you go, I'm ready. Now let's begin. So you see, this is very simple. What I have with me, this is vinegar, not water. Make sure you don't take water. Vinegar is a preservative, alright? This is vinegar, this is oil, and that is chili powder. And this is an extra bowl where we'll mix the things up. And these bottles right here that I have, see, now it's an Odomos spray bottle. Post-COVID, everyone must be having sanitizers in their houses. Alright, so don't give me an excuse that you don't have a good bottle, good spray bottle. You can buy a good spray bottle from the market, but you must be having sanitizers in your home. So suppose this was not an Odomos spray bottle, suppose this was a sanitizer. I had a spray bottle sanitizer, but I could not find it right now. So I'll use this. You can easily open this. Alright, and this sprays really far and very nice. The spraying bottle thing is very nice. It can spray to a distance of probably 1 meter or more. So this is very helpful. I'll empty the contents. It is half filled. I'll empty the contents into this bottle so that I can use it later. I don't want to waste this. So I'll empty the contents into this bottle. Then, or else you can also take perfumes like this. Perfumes like this also have this, but I was not able to open this, but you can because it has a tube. It's not a pressurized can or container. Please make sure you do not use a pressurized can or container for this. Alright, so I'm not using this perfume bottle. These are the 2 things that we require, a spoon and an empty bowl. And I have another thing. This I don't know whether everybody can get or not, but I have this thing. This is a spray pen. You open it on this side, it's a pen. And you close the pen, and on this side you have this where it can spray. You seeing water here? This is sanitizer. So yeah, this is a spray pen. Basically we have to keep the bottles short so that they can fit in your purse or in your pocket easily, and this bottle is quite small as well. So let's begin with emptying the contents of this bottle into this bottle. So right now I have emptied the contents of this Odomos bottle into this bottle, and I have washed this bottle thoroughly and carefully with Dettol and normal water and sprayed it also so that the pipe and the spray is clear and clean. You can see this is water, not Odomos, chill. So now we are ready to make our mixture. What we are going to do first is take a bowl, like an empty bowl. Take an empty bowl. First put some chili powder. Not some, put a lot of chili powder. You don't want to go easy on people who try to eve tease you or who try to hurt you or who try to sexually harass you. You don't want to go easy on them. And we need oil. We need oil because oil will stick to their eyes and it will be very difficult and it will take a lot of time for them to remove it and regain back their consciousness. So that is why we are using oil. It's not at all easy to remove oil from the skin. You know that well, right? So we are using oil, that's why. And then instead of water we are using vinegar, which is a preservative, so you can keep the spray in your bottle always. Sorry, you can keep the spray in your bag always, and you don't have to worry about it getting spoiled or ruined or anything. I'll obviously empty the entire contents of this red chili powder. And you mix them well. Once you are done with mixing and the mixture is ready, you have to empty the contents of this bowl into this empty bottle, which is a sprayer, and you can use the funnel to do it so that you do not spill this mixture everywhere around. Now I don't have a funnel right now, so I'll try my best to do it as safely as possible. Now since I don't have a funnel, I'm having a little trouble doing this, so I'll keep this, I'll keep this thing here for safety, or I can use this one. So that I don't spill the contents. So I've thoroughly cleaned the outside of the bottle with Dettol soap so that I accidentally do not touch this with my bare hands, because this mixture is dangerous. So this is done and this is ready. Now we'll test the spray out. Alright. So here I have an empty notebook. Let me keep this to the side. Let me remove all these things. Now let's test this out. I've taken a clean page. I've taken my spray bottle. I've opened the lid. The sprayer side is on this side. Now let's see if this works or not. See, any kind of spray you take, it sprays from quite a long distance. You can see the spots. These are from the chili spray, these are from this spray bottle. So both the spray bottles work well, so make sure you have a spray bottle. It needs to go far. You can't be very close to the person whom you want to spray this on. So my main motive for making this video is, how the society is these days. Now touching wood right now. Touch wood that the guys in my friend circle are really good, mature, and they're very open and very protective, and they know their limits. They never hesitate to take a step towards women protection, towards breaking the taboos of menstruation. They are very open-minded. But that is my friend circle. If everybody does not have, like, all the guys in the world are not that good, alright? So you can know, like, the guys you meet in the street, the eve teasers, they are stupid, they're rascals, alright? So, and the society now is filled with these stupid and rascal kind of people. I'm sorry if I'm using an abusing word, but it is what they can be referred to as. You cannot respect a rapist, alright? You cannot. Now this bottle, let me show you. This bottle can very easily fit into your bag. Like suppose I use this bag normally when I'm going out. So this can very easily fit into my bag. See? It can fit into your pockets even. Your safety is in your hands, alright? But that does not mean you cannot wear short clothes. You cannot come back home late at night. All these things are not responsible for a girl being raped. The only thing responsible for a girl being raped is the rapist and the mindset of the rapist. The bad mindset of the rapist. Nothing else. Short skirts, shorts, nothing matters. You can wear whatever you want. And these guys will never change their mindset, alright? The rapists will never see what a girl is wearing. They will always, if they want to rape someone, they will do it. So, the dressing and the clothing does not matter. There are so many people in the society who tell that girls should return home fast, like early, but before 7 o'clock, before 6 o'clock. They should not wear short dresses, they should not do this, they should not do that to protect themselves. Excuse me, these are shit. Girls can do anything they want, alright? The boys also need to learn a lesson. Teach them. Teach your boys how to be mature, how to be sensible, how to be responsible, and how to respect women. Teach your boys. girls are well. Don't blame the girls for the rape, alright? And there are many people, there are like so many people who tell this like it's because girls are not following the Indian culture these days, they should be wearing saris. Do you even realize how much of your skin is exposed when you wear a sari? आगे से इतना, पीछे से भी इतना is exposed when you wear a sari. That is okay with everybody. But if someone is wearing a crop top and a jeans and थोड़ा सा पेट दिख रहा है, तो भाई ये लड़की तो ऐसे पहन के जाती है. And if you are one of those people who are watching this video, then please quit and leave. Because your mindset is absurd and very backward. No, I'm just kidding. You can stay and watch this video till the end because maybe this video will help you change your mindset. Alright? Now, all things said and done, you keep this spray with you whenever you go alone or even when you are going out with your friends who are girls or even guys. You can also just always keep this spray with you, which will be very handy. If you see someone who's teasing you, who's approaching you, pushing you in a very inappropriate way, then you can use this. If there is sand nearby you, you can immediately use the sand. If the sprayer does not work at the moment, open the bottle, throw the stuff into the eyes, alright? The contents in this bottle will make the person have irritation, severe eye irritation because there is red chili powder, you know how severe that is. Temporary blindness because oil will stick to the eyes and it is very difficult to remove it. So you will have enough time to call for help or run or attack on that same person who tried attacking on you. Alright? Girls, you need to be smart as well. And boys, you need to learn. It's not girls' fault at all in being raped. And rape cases are so rampant in this country. It's like almost every other day you find some girl being raped. And girls like 3 years old, 6 years old. Now tell me, were they wearing short skirts? They themselves are like this much in height. But they're wearing short skirts? No, right? So it's just the mindset of the man who is raping her. So men, you need to act as a responsible citizen of this country and stop rape cases. And the law also needs to be very strict and very sharp with rape cases. You see rape cases these days, you file a case for a rape victim and the case will go on and on and on and the action against the rapist will be taken probably after 2 years, 3 years or a long period of time. I mean, isn't that ridiculous? Isn't that bad in a way? You need to have immediate action. Rape case file ho matlab find evidence if the girl is speaking the truth. If the girl is speaking the truth and the rapist has been found, immediately hang him to death, man. What is this filing a case in the court? You do not need to do all those kinds of bullshit. You need to clear the society of these stupid people. These are the ones ruining the society. Alright? So please share this video as much as possible so that maybe one day our law will include the rapist getting hanged to death publicly as a part of the constitution, which I would really appreciate and which everyone would appreciate. So thank you for watching this video. It was a bit long video, I know. Thank you for staying till here. That's it, guys. So that's it for this video. Meet you in the next video.